Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play with long ball as a team play style in eFootball 2024. So you are going to play direct football, and also you can get GP from playing with this team play style. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission or objective so you can get on off reward from it. Let's get started by tap the game plane and tap your manager, tap the team playstyle, and change your playstyle in a long ball. Tap done. So if you are playing long ball, make sure you have a midfielder or ball playing defender here with good passing. Tap player detail here. This one, long ball expert or long ranger. So the ball will provide, your striker will be provided with a good passing, or accuracy of your pass is increased with this perk. And after that you can get a bonus. Tap the mission, tap the objectives, and tap the career objectives. Here try to search the long ball. This one, play with long ball as a team play style, so you can get a reward here. If you're playing for the first time, you can get 2000 GP, and if you're playing third times, you can 200 eFootball points and many more until 100 match using or with long ball as a team play style. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.